Yep. So let's try today's algorithm challenge. So I couldn't really stream today because I have problems with my internet, and it just makes sense for me to kind of record the video beforehand and publish. Yeah. But I'll be doing this till I eventually fix my internet. So let's go to the problems as usual. So something I've noticed lately is that I'm not prepared for a lot of medium algorithm challenges because medium algorithm challenges normally have more advanced topics like trees, binary search trees, greedy algorithms, and all those heap sort and the rest of them. So I don't. Wait a second. Okay, so I don't yet. I've not yet. Um. I've not yet made time to go through all those topics, or I might have gone through those topics at some point, but not to the point where I can solve medium questions with them. I don't know what's wrong with the slides, and still looks the same way. Okay, so I've not yet gotten to the point where I can solve medium problems, medium algorithms with those problems, yeah. But I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to for now try basic algorithms or easy algorithms and give myself like less than a week to follow through on those topics. Like I said, those topics are greedy algorithms, trees, sorting algorithms, and a whole lot of other advanced topics here. So let's see. Let me try an easy question and try to pick one randomly. I mean, like just to move the needle. Okay, this XOR. Now I have experience with these XOR operators. They are normally like um a way to have a um switch and um to control on and off status of bytes in a particular a collection of bytes numbers. Yeah. So this is the bitwise operator, and I know there are about two of them. There's the and. Now this has been a very long time ago, and it's not always like used. Except one time I used it in permission based. Um, I used it in a permission based feature in an app I was building. That's been the last time I've used it. But let's see. You're given an integer n and an integer start. Define an array norms where norms I is equals to start plus 2 times I. How is this an easy question? Okay, just another topic I need to cover still bitwise operations. But let's at least do some research on it. I'll turn on the regular 15 minutes timer and try to learn more about the bitwise operators. Oh, I just added two of them. Okay, I need one. Okay, so you're given an integer n and another integer start. Define an array norms where norms I equals the start plus 2 times I and n. Return the bitwise operator of all elements in norm. So if we're given 5 and 8, the output is 8 because we do this operation, and then the array is equal to okay. Okay, I see. This doesn't look like a hard question after all. So let's Google the bitwise operator. No, in JavaScript. JavaScript bitwise operators. So the bitwise operators, they're and or XOR. Set each bit to 1 if only one of the two bits is 1. Five 0 1 0 1. Set his bit to 1 if only two of his bits is 1. The result is 4 because 0 1 0 1 0 1. Wait a minute. Okay, if the bits are different. Okay, if the bits are different. So in this case, bits are different. Sorry, bits are the same 0. Bits are different. Okay, I see. Okay, so the XOR bitwise operator is going to return. Normally, we're given two sequence of bits, and it's going to return 1 when they are different, right? It's going to return 1 when they are different. It's going to return 1 when they are different and 0 when they are the same. 1 when they are different and 0 when they are the same. So this is going to be 0 0 0. Makes sense. So what this is telling us to do is return the bitwise of all elements in norm. Okay, so define an array norms. You're given an integer n and another start. Define norms are where norms I is equal to start, then the second number plus 2 times I. Okay, so we have to construct this array. Just wait a minute. So at the first loop from start to end, loop from start to end, create an array from the I want to say create an array from the operation start plus 2 times x or I. Then return the bitwise of all elements. Okay. Let's start for let x equals n. Sorry, start x less than x less than n, x less than n, and x plus plus. That's just going to basically loop on through, and then create an array from the operations. Now we should have this nums array that is just an empty string for now, and then nums dot push start plus 2 times x, then return. Now this is another for loop. I'm going to look for a way to simplify it, but then I'm just going to loop through all for let num in nums wait a minute. I want to I want to kind of how's it called? I'm just thinking about if let's see, I just want to confirm if 0 so 2 so 4 so 6 so 8 is equals to 0 so 2, and then later the answer was 0 so 2 and 4. That's just what I'm trying to understand. I mean, I can ask ChatGPT. I can ask ChatGPT if they're the same. Okay. Instead of going to ChatGPT, I can just paste this on my command line. I can just paste this on my command line, right? And I can open the console. And wait a minute. Um, I want to just open the console. Inspect. Now this takes forever to open. But then I can also just bring it here. I can also just bring it here. Now this is for this one. What DevTools is opening right now? I don't know. Maybe for this one. Just a minute. Now this is for, yeah, this is for this one. So now we just want to check the bitwise of, sorry, console. Just want to check the bitwise of the L. So let's say 0 bitwise 2, bitwise 4, 6 and 8. Who is 8? So now let's do 0 2, 0 2, 0 2, 2, then 2 4 6, then 6 6. That's where the problem is. The problem I'm having is spreading them out. The problem I'm having is spreading them out. Now let's go and look at some hints here. Seems like OBS is kind of eating up all my memory. Let's close some of this. Okay. So let's go to the hints. How does one start from? Ah, shit, my. Okay. So let's